So the next couple of days are still going to feature a good bit of winter weather, especially for the highest elevations and ridge tops to the west. Yes, we have a winter weather advisory in place. First time we've had one of these in a little while anyway, and that includes Garrett County in western Maryland, down into Grant County in West Virginia, and back up into the Laurel Highlands of southern Pennsylvania. This takes effect very early in the morning, run at 1 a.m. or so, and lasts throughout tomorrow morning, at least until some of the snow showers at least die down. The wind is not going to be calming down. It'll actually pick up through the overnight, and then eventually we will see things just continue through the day tomorrow with those high wind speeds, but not too bad out there right now. Look at this. Temperatures are nearing 50 around the Beltway, and we have 40s extending all the way back toward Cumberland at 42. So most of us have warmed up pretty nicely today overall, but still some chill, of course, in those typical highest ridge tops back across our western counties. It has turned a bit breezy once again. Wind speeds around 10 to 20 miles an hour will continue throughout the day today, but more times than not, we won't reach up to 20 miles an hour except for a brief gust or two here and there. Things are relatively calming down through the day today, but it still has a little bit of a wind chill factor out there. About 5 to 10 degrees cooler is what it feels like compared to the actual air temperature. And yes, that will continue. Snow shower activity, we've had it mostly to our north and west throughout much of the morning. Both those areas of snowfall have pretty much dissipated off now, and we are looking at pretty quiet conditions with good bit of sunshine across the 4-state region. So another sign that things are overall a little bit quieter than yesterday across the viewing area. So we'll take this less windy, slightly warmer day while we can get it. But again, tonight it should turn into a bit of a winter wonderland over the mountains. 2 to 5 inches of snow is not out of the question by tomorrow morning. And with those wind speeds around 25 to 35 miles an hour, certainly hang on to those hats throughout the day tomorrow. So here it is again, pretty quiet the rest of your Tuesday. Clouds will begin to return over the mountains tonight, and we'll eventually see those spill over to the east as we head into the morning tomorrow. You notice that little area of blue here popping up. That's that snow shower activity that will be at its most intense through the early morning hours, but then starting to wrap up throughout the day tomorrow. And despite the fact that we will see some sunshine once again, it is looking like things are going to stay fairly breezy throughout the entirety of the afternoon tomorrow. So again, just be prepared for that as we roll throughout your Wednesday. Things will start to calm down though, wind-wise and as far as that cloud cover and precipitation goes as we head into Thursday. So yeah, on the order of about 2 to 5 inches. Again, some of the models don't pick up on those higher amounts, but those will be very localized that we could see upwards of 5 inches. Just depends on where those heaviest bands set up. After the wind dies down after Wednesday, it warms up Thursday, and then we start to gradually cool back down through the weekend. We'll keep an eye on early next week. That's likely when our next storm system will start to approach the area.